Hey, Massive users, it's Alex with your March 2026 Massive product updates. Number one, fractional share precision. Effective February 23rd, the UTP and CTA SIPs began reporting fractional share quantities for NMS stocks. To support this, we added new decimal fields across our REST, WebSocket, and Flatfile APIs. On the REST side, you'll see decimal size on trades and decimal volumes on snapshots. On WebSocket, trades get a new DS field, and aggregates get DV and DAV. All new decimal values are delivered as strings to avoid floating point precision loss during JSON parsing. And existing integer fields like size, volume, and accumulated volume are unchanged, so REST and WebSocket changes are non-breaking and you can migrate on your own timeline. One important note. Flat files did begin reporting decimal values instead of whole numbers for trade size and aggregate volume fields back on February 23rd. If your pipeline parses those as integer types, you will need to update your parsing logic. Number two, MCP Server Rewrite. We've completely rewritten our MCP server, consolidating 53 individual tools down to just 4. This means the server can now scale to our full set of API endpoints with significantly less context overhead in your AI workflows. It also includes security improvements like environment variable clearing and path allow listing, plus financial formulas like Black-Scholes and Sharpe and Sortino ratios. If you're using the MCP server with Claude, Cursor, or any other AI coding tool, this is a significant upgrade. Number three, 8K text and SEC filings index endpoints. We've released 2 new beta endpoints for working with SEC filings. These are open to every account type while in the beta period. The Edgar Filing Index endpoint lets you search across SEC form types by ticker, CIK, form type, or date range with direct links to the source material and support for up to 50,000 results per request. The 8K text endpoint returns clean parsed text for each items section. No front matter, no exhibit markup, just the valuable disclosed content. Also, we are actively working on several more financial filing endpoints, so stay tuned for more of these in the coming months. Number 4, European consumer spending endpoints. We've released our first alternative data endpoints, European consumer spending by merchant. This non-traditional data that goes beyond core market data to provide signals for investment research and competitive analysis. The merchant aggregates endpoint returns daily aggregated consumer spending at merchants and payment processors across the UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and Austria. This is sourced from aggregated credit card, debit card, and open banking transaction panels. Data is split by online, offline, and buy now, pay later channels, includes Bloomberg ticker mapping for roughly 250 US public companies, and provides rolling account counts for normalization. The embargo period is 30 days for individual plans and 7 days for business plans. The merchant hierarchy endpoint is reference data mapping roughly 350 merchants to parent companies, tickers, and sectors. You can use this for point-in-time joins with the merchant aggregates data to capture corporate structure changes over time. Historical data goes back to 2016, and both endpoints are available starting at $99 a month. Number 5, Go client updates. We've released version 3 of the massive Go client. The release includes built-in pagination and cleaner error handling with the new client options with trace and with pagination. On top of that, we've added Go code snippets directly in our API documentation, so you can see working examples right alongside the endpoint specs. That wraps up our March Massive 2026 updates. Check out our blog on massive.com for more details on any of these new features. And as always, keep building something massive.